Want to see the history of changes made to your Instagram account? Whether it's updates to your profile or other tweaks, I'll show you exactly how to find this information. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and heading to your profile page. Once there, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select your activity to open the activity section. Scroll down until you find Account History and tap on it. Here, you'll see a detailed record of all the changes you've made to your profile so far. At the top of the screen, there are filter options to help you sort through the data. You can filter changes by date, from newest to oldest, or pick a specific time frame, like last week, last month, or last year. There's also an option to filter by update type, so you can focus on specific changes like username updates, bio edits, or profile picture changes. Once you've selected your filters, tap Apply to view the results. If there are no changes matching your criteria, the page will let you know. And that's how you can find and review your Instagram account history. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.